Kitchen by the river. While you've been getting bamboo, I have cooked
What?
chicken and fever grass.
Liar tell. Liar blood clot tell. Let me see what I go on.
Oh!
Holy active, my father.
Tell me how you feeling. We are cooking vibe. We are cool vibe, the Mr. Green. Tell me how you feeling. We are cooking vibe. We are cool vibe.
Oi, oi, people. Welcome to Cook and Vibe and Kitchen by the River. We're there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we're on the beach, we're on the river today, as normal. Make sure you followed if you haven't already.
What we are doing today?
Listen, we got a new one today, people. Today we are cooking fever grass soup. Fever grass and chicken soup. It's mad. It's a new creation. Me and Kitchen by the River, I made this one up. This is the first time ever cooking it. You get me? So, yeah, man, I'm mad team people. You don't know. It's a Cook and Vibe, Kitchen by the River. Nothing to normal. We're on the river and we're making fever grass and chicken soup. What's wrong, God? Yeah, you find water.
Me then I walk faster than I see it down and I say, one day this active. I see we are going river, we not sitting here.
Joe. Aye, Cook and Vibe. Alright, first things first, people. Chicken in, chopped up, cleaned, nice. That is it. Fever grass and chicken soup. You never seen it before. May I tell you never seen it before, man? We're by the river, as usual. That is it. We're gonna chop up the pumpkin and put the pumpkin in. Alright, before we put the pumpkin in, skime. Remember the name? Yeah? Skime. Skelly at that time. That is it. Yeah, man, so that's inside there now. And then we're next gonna add the pumpkin and wash the carrots off. Yes, people. Oh yeah, one thing in this heat, man, keeping this fires going is a mad thing. Aye. Yes, people. Fever grass chicken soup. You never heard of it before. Hey, first time. Don't lie to me. There. Yes, people. All right, now it's for the special time. Fever grass. Get the camera ready. Fever grass, people. That is what we're gonna put in the soup. Now, obviously it's a lemony smell type lemon. You get me? So there's the fever grass, lemon grass, fever grass, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, man, a different thing today, people. We're gonna put that in the soup from now to give it its flavor from now. You see? Yeah, man. There's the fever grass. Yeah. People. I picked this fresh the other day and yeah, just had it dry now since you have it dried out anyway. Some people call it lemongrass, fever grass, whatever you want to call it. That is our secret special ingredient today. You hear that? Yeah, man. Oh, fully active, my father. Yeah, man. Special ingredient goes in. We just tied that up in there. Nah, remember that's good for cold and fevers and all them things there. So this soup is actually medicinal. This is a medicinal chicken soup. You hear that? So our Kitchen by the River has stole all this brothers bamboo to build his thing. So he's had to go and get some more for him. Holy active! Yeah! Wait till you can manage that. You can manage that, brother. You look like you're struggle. He must struggle, people. Trust me, he must struggle. Bro, watch him, you know. Just plant it like that?
Yeah, just this.
Oh, that bit. Wow. That's right, girl.
You take a look. Egg mix with it. That's one of the root.
Right.
You put me one of the water.
Plant some sugar cane.
That's it already.
Yeah.
That's
So when we forward that, people, that's supposed to grow. Yeah. Chicken soup is nearly done. Wow, the fever grass is kicking in the chicken soup. It's mad. Boy, oi. In do something with fever grass. Okay, now man, I feel we started this spill. Yeah. So the Irish has gone in now, people. Soup ready up, man? Yeah, just gotta put the soup mix in now. Ready up. Rooster mix. Yeah, cause with a rooster mix that. Nick going well, so forget bamboo and there's bamboo right there. Hi boy, that's how it go. Yeah, vibes by the river every time. Yeah, you can really smell the fever grass in there, man. That is gonna be different tasting. Oi, fever grass chicken soup. It's not the man, the people. I tell you that. Do the right thing, people. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Very, very, very hot today. And I'm not sure when this is going out, but this is actually my last day in Portland. My last full day in Portland. I love this place so much, man. I'm going to miss it so much. Like, Portland's just got beautiful places to go and cook food. Portland is a place where I cook food and relax and enjoy Jamaica. You know, Kingston is where I work. You know, and big up Portland, man. Big up everyone in Portland. Big up the whole link from everywhere, from Lavish, Jubby, Kitchen by the River, the whole place. You get me? Yeah, man. Big up the whole place, man. Portland, man. I forget you so easy. You know, the place know me now. When I go around the town, I'm like a local now. You see? A good vibes, people, man. So we're there. I cook some fever grass and chicken soup. Not on the normal. Last day in Portland. We're doing it the right way, man. By the river. Kitchen by the river. While you've been getting bamboo, I have cooked
What?
chicken and fever grass.
Liar, tell. Liar, blood clot, tell. Let me see what I go on.
Oh!
Fully active,
Yo,
my father.
You can smell it all out
Yo,
there.
you smell it. You smell the chicken. The chicken smell nice. Yo.
Fever grass smell. You can smell the fever grass. Smell
Him that. Man, I want stew you make, you know.
Yo, watch out.
This nice, yo. Fuck, bro. Watch
Ready,
out the
man.
potato. You not peel the potato skin?
No.
Nah.
Wash it off. I remember what we learned from Jamaica, waste nothing.
Yeah, the skin
Yeah, so
away
we just
nutrients.
wash it and it's got all the nutrients in it. So, yeah, look, you see the big bunch of... All right, see
Fever grass.
There's the fever grass right there, so.
Yo, me can't wait for this stuff.
Yeah, man, so ready up, people, taste time, oi.
Right there.
Don't ramp with it, people. Serious thing, wow, yeah, man. Watch fever grass and chicken soup, man. That is it.
You get where I'm that? You get where with yourself. It look good. It look good.
It smells good.
It smells nice.
Bro, smell it. You can smell the fever grass. Smell it.
Yo, yeah, me can smell it, but can smell
smell
the
it?
chicken more.
Right, a good blend. That means it hasn't overtaken it.
Me sample it.
Yeah, it's new. It's not in the normal in the Kitchen by the River. Watch the chicken and wow.
Fever grass.
Yeah, man, it nice though, brother though. Nice, man. And it's true.
Right, that's my father, but yo, you know bad, it good. Good. Fever grass flavor, up. Meat,
You can proper taste
soft.
it in there.
Irish, proper.
Bad.
Carrot.
Bad.
Right, that's a man.
Look at that. Fever grass soup.
That I get with himself. But guys, I did nothing. I did nothing in this one. Nothing me I do. Him alone.
Mad thing, people.
Yeah man, him alone. Trust
Fever
me.
grass soup. You never see it before. The
Trust
first
me.
time.
Yeah, that, see that? Right, that's a man.
Big up yourself, people. You know how the thing go. Cook and
Fever grass
vibe.
there. Never tell a lie, my father.
Never tell a lie, man. Cook and vibe, Kitchen by the River. Don't know. Keep them notification bells on so you don't want to miss nothing. Oi, oi.
What you say?
Sorry, fever grass, got a tea. Early morning time. Little best, call the walls of my stomach, fever grass good. You have eat nearby, you have cold, stay out it.
Right, so the
Fever
the
grass
soup,
good, yes.
the soup must be good. So,
And the tea, same way, yes.
so you see the soup bust gas as well.
Same way like a tea, right?
So you don't know, say the fever grass in the soup, it's like a medicinal soup. No, man. Oi, oi. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Oi. Welcome to the big up section, people. You know, I think I should do a quick one tonight because I was just editing up late and trying to get work done. Yes, today was my last day in Portland. I don't know when this episode is going to be going out, but yeah, man, it's night time, but don't want to leave. But I've got to go to Kingston, spend some time there before I leave to go back to the UK. Yeah, man. Season 10 is nearly done, people. It's been a good one. You get me? So this week's big up, people. Big up Daniel Douglas. He says, this is the right direction to go, brother. Keep up showing us more of the real Jamaica. Big respect on this one. That was regarding the Garrison Ghetto episodes. I still say the people didn't like them ones there. So I'm going to try and do some more of them before I leave. Also, big up Stefan Gave. He said, hit the like button, folks. It really means a lot. It does. Hit that like button, get the video moving. You know the things that people is cook and vibe. Way, fever grass soup. You never a new creation again. That is it. Way.